Good morning, Philippines!
Lagay lang tayo ng mga anik-anik sa lips. Anyway guys, good morning. I think it's 7 something already. Sobrang na-dry ng ano ko lips ko. Anyway, kumakain na ako guys. At saka coffee. Nag-coffee na ako. Punta tayo mamaya kay Tami. And then uwi tayo sa bahay mamaya din. Si Roxy hindi mapalagay. Hindi niya alam po anong gagawin. Anyway. So, nalit yung video ko today kasi last night, ang hirap, ang tagal mag-upload dito ng video. 1 oras. But anyway guys, maayong aga sa inyo. And ako naman, hindi naman maayong aga. Magkita-kits na lang tayo mamaya. 7:30 na ba? Yeah, 7:30. Yung orasan dito is mali. Kasi hindi ni Tami chine-change, yung nag-change, Alis ako guys later. Almost na. Ito yung bag na dalhin ko sa hospital. Towel, brush, toothbrush, and At itong mukha ko is ganito pa rin. Hindi na ako guys, walang time hindi na ako nagdala ng mga foundation, mga makeup dyan. Kasi tawag nito. Ay, madilim. Kasi, ba't madilim? Hindi na pwede. Bawal. Pangit ng makeup pa doon. Asawa ko nagkalisod-lisod na. Nanonood lang ako ng mga vlogs. And tapos na akong nag-edit. I-finalize ko na lang yun mamaya. Late yung vlog ko kanina kasi yung uploading, yung uploading dito is sobrang mahina. And yun. I will see you later. Puntahan ko lang yung asawa ko. What time is it? Almost 11. Tignan nyo guys, ang tigas ng ulo. Manigarilyo daw siya. Tigas sa hard head. What you did this morning? Hard head.
I told you, just because you don't want to help me out.
Help you out? Seriously, the bad thing?
Bad thing. Seriously, bad thing. Well, like when I'm shooting people.
Hey, Hanan. He wanna go out again.
I do. I get to this point, but I can't. There's no. Because this is.
No.
No, I can't actually download this.
Yeah, you cannot do that from the browser, Han.
See if I do watch an app.
Look, it bring you to the thing.
Yeah, I know, but maybe.
No, still not right. Your iOS need to be updated.
Yeah, but it's not gonna update. You can't update remotely anymore. Apple do that, but in October, I think, was the last time you were able to do that. And there another company who wants to.
Oh, food ni Tami. Chicken soup, tea, and gulay at saka.
Yeah, I have some stuff.
No, it's for you. I eat a lot.
I know it's for me. I don't really.
Okay, go eat. Lumabas si Tami. Pakita ko sa inyo ha. Tignan mo, ang ginaw. Tignan. Ang ginaw guys, tignan mo yan. Basta ang tigas ng ulo. Matigas kasi yung ulo, tignan mo. Nakagaon pa na ni Garilio. What? Over there. The second car from the... Yeah, all the way down. Ang tigas ng ulo. I think dalawa man sila. Yung lumabas dito nakagaon. Hurry up, don't stay long here. It's like cold. Please, don't go crazy. Ganyan yung sinasabi nyo guys na pa-stop siya. Ang tigas ng ulo kahit nasa hospital, ganyan yan. Tigas ng ulo. Kayo na lang yung ma-high blood. Pasok tayo kasi maginaw. Anyway guys, babalik na kami sa taas. Tingnan niyo yung matigas na ulo. Yung guard, sabi pa ng guard, is he your patient? I said, he's my husband. He's a hardhead. Na-shock. Na-shock yung guard. Sabi ko, he's your husband? Yes, he is my baby. A hard-head baby.
Big as a brick.
Huh?
Big as a brick.
Yeah, very hard-head. Huh? A what? Huh? She looks shocked. I wish I told her my age because, or she will.
Yeah, because you probably
Huh?
thinks you're much younger than you actually are too.
Yeah. Anyway, we're going back to his room. And look, ganito si Tami. Matigas na ulo, guys. Kaya hindi yan magbabago kasi tigas na talaga yung ulo niya.
Escape on me again? I'm gonna put a low jacket on you pretty soon.
There you go.
Yeah, he's a hard head.
Yes.
Ito si Tami. Tinakbuhan niya yung nurse. Ang nurse. Yeah. Mamaya pa ako, guys. And then, punta ako sa upstate sa bahay namin.
Stir crazy.
Huh?
Where you get stir crazy? I figured they have little weights or something here.
What are you gonna really do?
I figured they have little weights, like at least there's something to do. Little weights.
Suddenly, you want exercise?
Because I'm not doing anything. Using my phone. There's something about you, huh?
It's the reality of our life right now.
This is not reality. This is stupidity.
I know it's stupidity, but this is what's happening in our life. I can't even kiss him, hug him, nothing. I don't want to give this nose problem.
So my next step, I'll be a puddle of oil,
And,
like any other dinosaur.
hey, people comment that you're not allowed to don't eat oily food, salty food.
No kidding. I've been telling you this for years.
I know, the salty I understand. The oily food,
That's not 100% true. Olive oil, a little bit, is good for you because it actually
like
breaks
the
down
oily
your
food, like
bad cholesterol.
fried thing, fried this,
The
fried
fried food, forget it. No.
That's what the oily food is.
No, but I'm saying, like sometimes you put olive oil in like pastas and like, you shouldn't have pasta. But there you go. But olive oil actually
I'm not
helps
gonna-
get rid of bad cholesterol.
I'm not gonna feed you mungo beans anymore.
Mungo beans, why?
That's bad. It's a beans. Probably it's gonna.
Why is that bad?
I don't know. It's a beans. It's a round thing,
Who told you that was bad?
and also bad for arthritis.
Oh, that I don't know. In my own, you know what I do for arthritis crap. I just take that Knox gel.
You stop drinking. Seriously, you drink a lot of things, but you stop. You drink the oil thing, the one that very strong one you put under your tongue.
Yeah.
You stop drinking.
No. No. You understand. Any medication, okay? Consider that like a medication. That's to fight bacterial infections and
Okay.
viral infections.
So
No, listen. If you take it too much, your body becomes resistant and then it doesn't help you.
okay.
So I only do it when I need it. Why would I? Otherwise it won't work for me anymore. Then what do? It's like any medication. You take it all your life, and next thing you know, it doesn't do you any good. It's just like your body's so used to it.
Nakaligo na si Tami, guys. Hindi yan maano kapag hindi naliligo. Fresh brush your hair. I found that toothpaste in the, I look for like in the boxes. You cannot close your eyes. Your hair is still so wet. We need this bag. parang hindi pasyente. You look like not a patient because you don't wear your gown. Ang sakit ng ano ko. Sakit ng ano ko, mata. And itong ilong ko is tumatakbo ng tumatakbo. Runny nose. May kunin lang ako sa bahay and then babalik ako dito ulit. Yun. Iwan ko lang si Tami sandali. Okay, andito na ako. Meron tayong pass. Anuhan natin siya ng fee. Anhan eh. Namiss ko nang magluto dito, guys. I miss cooking in this house.
Vlog it, have something.
Tammy's dinner. Burger. Eat it while it's hot. Put ketchup, salad, bun. This is what you put in your salad. In your
What you put on a burger.
Eat this one while it's hot. Eat that soup.
What kind of soup is it?
Just eat it.
Well, you have it.
No, I said I'm not. I'm gonna do this for you. You can eat yours thing. Hello guys. Alis na tayo guys. Uwi na ako. Punta pa ako sa ano guys, sa ShopRite. Para mag-grocery or hindi mag-grocery, bibili lang ako ng pagkain ko. And si Tami ba? Gusto niyang lumabas. Sinamahan pa taraw ako niya sa labas, papunta pa palabas. Pero yung mga nurses, sabi pa, she cannot go until that second door only. Naawa tuloy ako kasi gusto niya. Naawa. So, ShopRite tayo, and then uwi, pakainin yung aso, and then punta tayo sa bahay para tignan yung pusa. Yun. And I'll be right back. Paalis na ako ngayon guys sa tawag nito, ShopRite. So, paalis na tayo. Konti lang yung binili ko dyan. Pagkain lang ng aso, bread ko, at saka yung pagkain ko na luto na ready to eat. Yun lang. Anyway guys, so we are going home. Buti na lang sanay tayo sa daan dito.
Didn't feel funny in the way home?
No, it's just a big bump in it, like.
Yeah, I know, but I can crack things.
I know. I'm gonna look. I will call you when I'm leaving here.
Okay. Yeah, I think it did some damage in the whole track.
Yeah.
Because you only get stuck halfway.
Then you have to get out and get me.
Just climb out the window. You can do that. It's only third floor. It's not like it's a big deal.
Hey, Tommy. Did you eat your salad?
I did.
Is it good?
Okay. We'll see. Strangely enough, the onions and tomato and lettuce for the burger were better than the actual salad. Right here when you come back.
I know, but I miss you.
I miss you too, and you just left. I felt bad that you were sitting there.
Huh?
Wait, no. I said I felt bad that you just sitting there and he shows up and what am I going to like ignore?
Tapos na akong kumain and pinalabas ko na yung aso. Before ko sila palabasin, doon naglalaro sila guys, parang ayaw nila akong makasama. Andun sila sa living room, naglalaro silang dalawa, narinig ko. Ano ba yung dalhin ko dito? I want to be there na kasi alam nyo naman, dalhin ko lang tong bag and yan, cellphone. Tignan natin kung anong ginawa nila. Where's my baby? I have some Boonsy. Yes, I do. Boonsy, yeah. Come here. Come here. This house is very quiet. Bigyan ko lang sila ng ano guys, Bones. And then, aalis na ako. Bigyan ko lang sila ng Boonsy. Boonsy for my babies. Who wants some Boonsy? Oh, do you wanna go out first before Boonsy? Do you wanna go out first? do you wanna go out first? Wanna go out first? Anyway guys, meron akong scary sabihin sa inyo guys. Pumunta ako sa ShopRite. Nagtataka ako kung bakit yung may Asian food counter doon. Nagtataka ako bakit walang bumibili. Yung pagkain nila is puno. Walang kumukuha. Walang ano, parang I think takot yung mga tao pumili ng pagkain dahil sa virus ngayon galing China. Galing sa China. Iwan ko na lang bakit apektado itong mga pagkain dito. Anyway, I will see you later when I get home. Okay? Kita-kits tayo sa bahay. Hello?
Yeah.
Ay, what's wrong?
Nothing. It's great.
Ay. Anyway. Kawawa si Roxy. Kasi nag-ano talaga siya. Nagtakbo-takbo siya patungo sa second floor. Kasi akala niya guys matutulog kami. Oh my god. Almost 7 o'clock na. Puntahan ko lang yung mga pusa guys. I need to go even though sabi pa ng katawan ko is pagod. I was here a while ago already and pinakain ko na yung mga babies ko. So, ngayon, pahinga muna ako, guys. Si Habs, sobrang saya ni Habs. Kasi, andito ako kumain. Pinakain ko na sila. Mga ganon-ganon. I'm going to end the vlog. Para makatulog ako. It's 8:30 na. Kailangan kong matulog. Nilagyan ko lang ng petroleum jelly itong dito. Kasi sobrang maga na dito. Sobrang very raw na yung skin ko, parang sakit na hawakan, ganun. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, good night.